Hello friends, today is the day of idioms. What are the advantages of using idioms in our daily conversation? Well, understanding idioms can boost your conversational English skills. You may encounter idioms most often in spoken or written conversation. Idioms can help improve your conversational skills and you sound so fluent and natural. Here are 10 of the most common idioms that are easy to use in daily conversation. My way or the highway. Meaning, you have to listen to me or do as I say. You have no choice at all. Example, I only want the best employees in my team. So in this office, it's my way or the highway. Tongue in cheek. You intend it to be understood as a joke, although you might appear to be serious. He said that he was a huge fan of the Prime Minister, although I suspect it was tongue-in-cheek. Face the music. Meaning, accept the consequence of one's actions. Example, the authorities had found us cheating in the exam and we were about to face the music. Dime a dozen. Meaning, something common and of less value. Cheap toys like these, you can get them a dime a dozen nowadays. Piece of cake. Meaning, really easy. Speaking in English will be just a piece of cake if you are ready to use it regularly. Hard nut to crack. Meaning, a problem or situation that is difficult to solve or a person difficult to deal with. Oh, he's such a hard nut to crack. Nobody seems to be able to get through to him. Blessing in disguise. Meaning, a good thing that seemed bad at first. Example, lockdown is a blessing in disguise for us to start speaking in English. Beat around the bush. Meaning, not speaking directly or precisely. Will you please stop beating around the bush and get to the point? On cloud nine. Meaning, a state of perfect happiness. And my dear friends, actually, I've been on cloud nine since this program started. I have been on cloud nine ever since I landed my dream job. Yeah, now come to the 10th idiom, the last idiom for the day, that is mover and shaker, meaning an influential person who can initiate events. The new principal of our school is a mover and shaker. Another example, the conference is going to be full of movers and shakers of the industry, so I want to make a good impression. 15 idioms a day. Oh my god, that's too much. My dear friends, hope you will try to use idioms at the right place and sound so fluent and natural like a native speaker of English. Thank you.